Hello, dear class. Today, we're gonna proceed to. I mean, we're not using a new tool. We're still using the same selection tool, but I want to show you a different one, like an interesting selection, because we have several different selection tools like ellipse, rectangular. We have lasso, we have magnetic, we have polygon, and then we have, what was it again? Let me go and look it up. Oh, we had uh, magic wand and etc. Right? So I'm trying to have you use most of them, so you could decide which one is useful in a particular situations. Now, what we're gonna do today, we're gonna create a new project, and then you can just stick to the default size, which is 1280 and 720, and then keep the background white. Just create it, and then have your page. Next, we are going to download the image from the Google Classroom. So if you click on view, it's not the one here. If you click on view the assignment and then just drag this picture, and then you can drop it on to the page on Photopea. There. Yeah. Can you submit e-hall pass, please? Huh? All right, go. Go all right. So, the image was a bad quality. So that's why we need to first save it in your Google Drive. So click on the image, right click, save image as pointed in your Google Drive. Okay. And only then you're gonna open it. Yes, file, open and place. You browse to your Google Drive, pick the image, and it's gonna be a better quality when you guys do that. So let's make it expanded and then fill the page with this image like this. So try to leave this writing out of the canvas so we don't see it like this. Okay. Here. So we fill the image, the canvas with the image. Next step, after we resize it and then fill the whole page with the image, we want to use a selection tool that is called magnetic lasso select. So what it does is very interesting. But first, guys, can you please zoom in closer to this pilot to the left? How do you zoom in? You can use your you swipe two fingers. You use your two fingers to swipe on your mouse pad, and it's gonna bring it closer. Okay. But if you're doing it with a mouse, if you have a mouse, you have to hold down Alt and then just use your scroll. There are plenty of ways scrolling and then zooming in. So what we're gonna do next, we're gonna pick this magnetic lasso. Just click once on the edge of the pilot, and then just click and let go. Don't hold the button. Just click and just drag your mouse pointer. You see, it's gonna automatically add lines like this. You see, it's adding it automatically. Just periodically, once in a while, make a click to stabilize the line. So here, and just drag it. So it is magnetically, automatically attaching. For example, here by the hand, we have to be careful. Periodically click, but not all the time. And then don't worry if you made a mistake, we can fix it afterwards. So this magnetic lasso automatically detects the edge of the object and adds lines for you. Like this. Are you able to do it?
Yes.
It takes time. I need to connect it to the very first select this. So you see my picture is glowing right now. So let's see what should be fixed here. Did I include all parts of the pilot? I'm gonna zoom in and check. All right, as you can see, seems like yes. So I need to remove this part. So how do I remove this part? I am going to subtract, right? Subtract. So click on subtract, and then you can use maybe just regular lasso, and just select this part. Oh, okay. Oh, there we go. Subtract.
Now I do.
1 second. All right. Now we're gonna use cutting. We're gonna cut it by using Control X. But here's the problem. It should be rasterized because it's an object. Look, clicking on Control X, you see it says Smart Object must be rasterized first. So we have to make a right click on this image and then make it into a raster image. Rasterize, and only then I'll be able to cut it. Control X. You see, I cut him out, right? And then Control V will paste him in a different layer. Control V. Now you see he is in a different layer. We have this picture in one layer, and we have this pilot on a different layer. Control V. So Control X cuts the selected. Control V pastes it, puts it back, but in a different layer. Now, last thing to be done, I need to click on the main image, which is called pilots. All right, and then change the opacity. So where is the opacity? Opacity is right here. So if you change opacity from 100% to some sort like 70%. So what do you guys see now? So what happened to my image? It focuses the attention to the pilot on the front, right? The background is kind of blurred. Right? Look, like this. You know, this is a new technology in the movies. I was watching a movie yesterday on YouTube, like a HD movie. So two people are talking, imagine. And then one first talks, the other one is blurred, slightly blurred. And then when the other one talks, the other one blurred. Have you guys seen that in the movies? Some TV shows use it, not the movies, but the TV series. When it's like yeah, when they talk, a group of people are being blurred. So that's what we do here as well. We're bringing this guy to an attention, okay, and then the rest, other part of the image are blurred, like this. And then when you guys done, you can just save this image. That's the final assignment, final version of your assignment that you need to save. Okay, click on a file, use export as PNG. Unless if you want to save, preserve the layers, you can go with GIF, but PNG is okay for me. So click on PNG and attach to your Google Classroom.